If your 70 kg growler is leaving half his coat on the bed, I'm about to show you a little trick. Look how much of a mess that is. Just watch this. Boom, that is easily 10 times better. All we got left now is his little juice stains. Honestly, such a handy little tool. A lot more powerful than I first expected. And I'm always finding new uses for it. It comes with all these other attachments here, and you don't just have to blow, you can suck as well. And for the quality, it's honestly a banging price. If you want to grab one for yourself, I'll just leave a link for it in that yellow basket.